hurricane time. Hurricane time. Hey, it's hurricane time. We are about to have a hurricane. My first hurricane. My mom's third hurricane. And my dad's, I don't know, hurricane.
What's the name of this hurricane?
Hurricane Matthew?
That's right.
The video. Because we are standing outside waiting for the hurricane to hit. Yeah. And we might lose power. So yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna make a little vlogging of a hurricane, yeah.
All right, so we'll check in later.
So yeah, we'll check in later. Bye-bye. Hi, it's Sarah from Canada Kids. It's the day after Hurricane Matthew. And, the only damage we had was, my dad's patio, the screen, like the two screens, like, whipped. So, and my dad already fixed that. Like the background. And so, not like this background, like my dad's background, who's holding the camera on his phone. And, yeah, so, yeah, the storm turned right before it hit us. Yeah. So, I only got this side of the hurricane. It wasn't like...
Did you lose power?
No.
No.
Yeah,
So what
it
did you
was
think of the
power.
hurricane?
It was cool to like watch it from outside, like the wind just going sideways. But it wasn't like
It wasn't strong, huh?
right. It wasn't the greatest hurricane I'll probably be in.
No, you'll probably be in a stronger one.
Yeah,
Yep.
this is the greatest one. But yeah,
There it is, huh?
how did you do in the hurricane? Comment down below how you did. Subscribe, comment, as I just said. Subscribe if you haven't. And thumbs up. I don't want any thumbs down. I haven't gotten them yet.
No thumbs down.
Yeah, no thumbs down. And so yeah, and bye. See you next time, which will be soon. Like I'm gonna make a video right after this. The video after the video. So come on. So I'm gonna make. Bye.